best. Ma'am was very apprehensive since morning that nobody's, we are all drowsy and we are not watching her. Ma'am, we were admiring you in fact. The blouse, the beads on your blouse and your accessories, the neck piece, we were all admiring you literally. And you were really captivating throughout the day. And I was not turning around because I had that vertigo problem.
I know, I understand.
So that's the reason, not because I was lazy.
Okay.
So, ma'am was insisting about being happy. Truly, like, I remember when I had Hindi, बेटा तुम क्या करना चाहती हो after class 2? So the girl was saying, पापा मैं बस खुश रहना चाहती हूँ. So my son was telling me, Mama, see, this is what even I want. So we can be happy, not doing anything, not without doing anything. We have to be happy, being productive. And so today we could assimilate a lot of things about NEP 2020. I am sure we'll all implement it in our classes. And ma'am, we are all cheered up and charged up and all recharged for the coming year to get head on to it. So thank you. So looking forward for more such classes from you before the opening of the academic session. Thank you, ma'am.
We are singing and dancing.
When
When I go to my class, as I am a computer teacher, I thought, like, how should a child differentiate between data and information? That will be my first question. My dear children, you are going to study computer. How will you differentiate between data and information? Then they will say, teacher, information is data. I said, very good. Then I said, Priya at 1977. What is that? So they awkward me. I said, Priya was born in 1977. First one was data. The next one is information. Meaningful data, helpful data, useful data, processed data by the computer is information. So we make children happy. And Geeta ma'am from the morning was so charged. Like it is recharging and recharging. So every day when we go to the class, I think we must prepare and we must recharge us. Thank you very much, ma'am. It was very useful.
It was really marvelous. It touched my heart. It was really inspiring. And two things, we have explained a lot of things. Out of that, two things touched my heart. First one, we all face a lot of problems, a lot of challenges in our profession, in our family. And what I understood is, problems are not so big. We are small to handle those problems. Am I correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes. We are small to handle all those problems. And another one, let us do our best. This point also I got from ma'am's class. Let us do our best. The God will do the rest. So we should need a very good faith in God. We can do our level best and the rest we can give to God. And we have learned a lot of things and I will try to implement all the things in my class. I don't know how far I could implement all those things. Anyway, I will surely try to implement all those things. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Forward session, not a feedback session. She asked for a feed forward. The 60-40 rule, that's a feed forward. Feed forward, making us independent. Independent, preparing us for the future. Feed forward, women empowerment. First thing. Second thing, reducing our stress level. No doubt, when we enter into a class, 40 minutes of class, we are handling 30 students over there, 30 plus students over there. All those 30 students are different from one another. They have their own stress level difference. We have our own stress level difference. We have to overcome that. She gave us a meditation where 3 different religions, madam sang very well. I was sitting at that corner. She noticed me very well, I know that. Within 2 minutes, my eyes were open. I can't close my eyes. I cannot sit off meditation also because the monkey mind, I call it as the monkey mind. Your thoughts wander here and there. I'm not able to control that. But I was a person who used to sit for meditation for more than 30 minutes because that was a type of practice given by my papa. But after I lost my dad, many things happened in my life wherein I am not able to concentrate even for 2 minutes. I am a believer, but I am not a believer either. She, when delivered her class, many times asked us to believe in that ultimate strength. It doesn't have a name, but it's a universal energy that is present. That is what she focused on. Okay, that is feed forward. Okay, that is feed forward over there. Next one. Every time when we go for a year planning, among our science teachers, we have a program of art integrated work. Okay, and there we have a lot of confusion. Chemistry will do it, biology will do it, physics will do it. Everybody will sit like this. We will all gather up there in a classroom. Who will be coming up with the idea? Because ultimately we have to club all these 3 major parts and bring it into a science level. Finally, we come up with one single plan wherein we are able to, that is chemistry, physics and biology is able to implement it and give it in a presentation manner. But here, did you all notice that the change that was there when I was just communicating with Madam too? Art integrated by NEP 2020. That's actually the title. But we have one more word that was added to it. What was that? Joyful. Joyful. And one thing what Madam said is, as soon as you walk into the classroom, the one thing that you have to make sure is, we're not introducing a topic right now over there itself. You are making the children happy. You are making the children happy. After you make the children happy, you make a rapport with them and then only you are giving the content. So there were some classroom advices also that was being given by Madam. Apart from that, many real life experience. Many real life experience. Madam normally said she is 60 plus, she did not actually say what is her age complete right now. Just said 60 plus, you can imagine, when I just showed my video profile also, I said 37 years of experience. You can understand what would be Madam's age. So, Madam gave us some real life experience also, from which we can learn many things. Yes or no? What Madam experienced at her home? No doubt, we or you, me or you, our experiencing that now or then also. Okay, so we can learn more, we can groom ourselves more with whatever classes, whatever sayings Madam gave us today. Thank you, Madam.
നമുക്കെല്ലാവരും നമ്മളെല്ലാവരുടെയും മനസ്സിനെ ഒന്ന് റിലാക്സ് ചെയ്യാം എല്ലാവർക്കും സാധിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇന്നലെ ഫാദർ ലെസൺ പ്ലാനൊക്കെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് എഴുതുന്നത് എന്ന് ഇതൊക്കെ തന്നെ കാണിച്ചു തന്നപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരുടെ മനസ്സും ആകെ ഒന്ന് ടെൻഷനായിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അതിപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ പ്രാക്ടിക്കലാക്കി കൊണ്ടുവരാനൊരു ചിന്ത എല്ലാവർക്കും ഉണ്ടായിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇന്നിപ്പോൾ ഗീതാമ്മയെ വന്ന് ജോയ്ഫുൾ ലേണിങ്ങിനെ കുറിച്ച് ക്ലാസ് എടുത്തപ്പോൾ നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും ഒരു കുതിരയോട് തിരുവാതിര കളി കളിക്കാൻ, മറ്റൊരു മാർഗം കളി, പിന്നെ ഒപ്പന. എന്തായിരുന്നു അതെല്ലാവർക്കും നല്ല സന്തോഷമായിരുന്നു. ആ സന്തോഷം കുറേ പവൻ മണവാട്ടി 3 മണവാട്ടി വരെയായിരുന്നു ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ സന്തോഷത്തോടു കൂടി നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും നമ്മുടെ മനസ്സിനെ ഒന്ന് ശാന്തമാക്കാണ് ഇപ്പൊ ചെയ്തത്. വേറെ പറഞ്ഞു വന്നപ്പോ ചങ്ങമ്പുഴ ടെമ്പിളിനൊക്കെ ചൊല്ലി കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോ അറിയാതെ മനസ്സിൽ നിന്നൊരു സങ്കടം, പിന്നെ ഊർമിളയെ കുറിച്ച് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോ അത് മനസ്സിലേക്ക് വല്ലാത്തൊരു വിഷമം ഉണ്ടായി. അത് നമ്മുടെ മനസ്സൊന്ന് പിന്നെ കീർത്തനങ്ങളൊക്കെ ചൊല്ലി ഒന്ന് ശാന്തമാക്കി തരാനും സാധിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ 37 വർഷത്തെ പരിചയം നമ്മളെപ്പോലുള്ള അധ്യാപകർക്ക് ക്ലാസ് എടുത്ത് അവരെല്ലാം പരിശീലിപ്പിക്കുക. എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മുടെ മുമ്പിലിരിക്കുന്ന കുട്ടികൾ, വിവിധ അഭിരുചികളുള്ള കുട്ടികളാണ് നമ്മുടെ മുമ്പിലിരിക്കുന്നത്. എല്ലാവരും ഒരേ സാഹചര്യത്തിൽ വരുന്ന കുട്ടികളല്ല. അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെയുള്ള കുട്ടികളെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഒരേ ലെവലിൽ കണ്ട് അവർക്ക് ഏത് രീതിയിലാണ് നമുക്ക് നല്ല രീതിയിൽ പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുക എന്നുള്ളതിനെ കുറിച്ച് ഒരു ഏകദേശ ധാരണ നമ്മളിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കാൻ ഗീതാമേമന് ഇന്ന് സാധിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇനിയും ഇത്തരത്തിലുള്ള ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ ഗീതാമേമൻ നമുക്ക് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാം. ഫാദർ ഇനി നമുക്ക് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ സലാമിയുടെ ഫാദറിനോടും പറയാവുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പൊ ഇന്ന് രാവിലെ നല്ല സാരിയൊക്കെ കൊടുത്ത് പറഞ്ഞ പ്രിയമത് പറഞ്ഞു മാഡത്തിനോട് നല്ല ഭംഗിയുള്ള മാഡത്തിന്റെ മാല കാണാൻ, വെള്ളം കാണാൻ ഇങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞു. മാഡം പറഞ്ഞ എന്താണ്, എന്റെ ക്ലാസ് മനസ്സിലായിട്ടില്ല എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിലും ഇതൊക്കെ നിങ്ങൾ നോക്കിയിരിക്കല്ലോ എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്നത് അതാണ്. അപ്പൊ മെസ്സേജ് പറയാനുണ്ടാവാറുണ്ട് അല്ലെ, സ്റ്റേജിൽ കയറുന്ന മെസ്സേജ് പറയാം. അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യാ, അന്നത്തെ ദിവസം നല്ല സാരി കൊടുത്ത് വെച്ചു. കാരണം എന്താണ് പറയുന്നത്, അതേ വൈദ്യം നമുക്കുള്ളത്. എന്താ കാര്യം എന്താണ്, നമ്മൾ മെസ്സേജ് കൊടുത്ത് കുറച്ച് തെറ്റി പോയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിലും കുറച്ചൊന്ന് പരിഭ്രമിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിലും എല്ലാവരും നമ്മുടെ വസ്ത്രത്തിലേക്ക് നോക്കിയിരിക്കും, നമ്മൾ നല്ല മാലയൊക്കെ അതിലേക്ക് നോക്കിയിരിക്കും. അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനൊരു കോൺഫിഡൻസ് നാം സ്വയം ഉണ്ടാക്കിയെടുക്കുന്നതാണ്. നമുക്കൊരു മറ്റുള്ളവരെ അഭിമുഖീകരിച്ച് പറയാനും സംസാരിക്കാനും കുറച്ചൊരു വിഷമം എല്ലാവർക്കും ഉണ്ട്. എപ്പോഴും ഒരു അവസരം കിട്ടുന്നതല്ലാതെ പറയാനായി ചെറുപ്പത്തിലെപ്പോഴും 12-13 പിന്നെ അവിടെ കയറുന്ന പറയും. ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കൂടി എല്ലാ കുട്ടികളും കൂടി ചേർന്ന് പറയുന്ന അവസരത്തിൽ അത് നമുക്ക് കുറച്ചൊരു സഭാഗമം നമ്മൾ പേര് വിളിക്കാറില്ല. സഭാഗമം അഭിമുഖീകരിക്കാനുള്ള ഒരു വിഷമം അതെല്ലാവർക്കും ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ അതിനെ മറികടക്കാൻ നാം തന്നെ സ്വയം ആശ്വാസം കണ്ടെത്തുന്നതാണ് വസ്ത്രധാരണത്തിലും നമ്മുടെ ആഭരണത്തിലൊക്കെ ഉള്ള ഒരു ക്രമമായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ കണക്കാക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ എന്തായാലും ഞങ്ങളുടെ മനസ്സിനെല്ലാം ഒന്ന് ശാന്തമാക്കാനും അടുത്ത അധ്യയന വർഷം നല്ല രീതിയിൽ കുട്ടികളെ നമ്മൾ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ വാർത്തെടുക്കാനും നമുക്കൊരു ശക്തി പകർന്നു തന്നതിൽ മാമിനെ അങ്ങേയറ്റത്ത് നന്ദി.
The two things I have to say, the number one, ma'am told, wherever there is passion, there is a pleasure. So we should not have any pressure or depression. The same way our children should be passionate in their learning. So they will not have any pressure. They will be feeling very happy, as ma'am told, to come to school. Even Sunday also they will be happy to come to school. And the second one, she told that my goal is not to become better than anyone, rather than to be better than I used to be. So thank you, ma'am. And we implement so many activities in our classroom. I'm confident in that. And I'm a KG teacher. And previous year also we have already started NEP 2020 in our classrooms. So more and more activities we are trying, and we will do our level best. Thank you, ma'am.
Next year, what all things I can do. A lot of limitations are there because oceans, all such problems are there. But still, with that limitation, we can do much more, I think. Then only the children will be impressive. We can, that means a teacher should not, the thing what you told is we always must be updated. Children should always drink from a stagnant pool, should not drink water from a stagnant pool. They should drink water from a running stream. That is why Swami Vivekananda. So we all teachers should be updated, and we should try our level best to improve ourselves and to make our class more attractive. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Two things I like mainly. First one is that we should dress properly. Actually, as a teacher, we have a lot of comments that you should not wear the matching earrings, or you should not wear something like that. Yes, every size.
So
we used to
we
wear
used to say,
a
ma'am.
role model to the students, and you should be well. Actually, we all used to dress
Who
properly.
said you should not use
So
So
now we used to wear small.
That is your mindset. Your own mindset. Come out of it.
So that is the main thing I like. But the second thing what I like is you should save 60%. So actually I used to spend all this.
40%.
40%.
You can
60% you should say spend, and 40%. But if I want to dress properly, that is not enough. That's just making me confused. But regarding class, that was too good, and definitely as a maths teacher, I will try to implement all this. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Actually, when I heard the topic joyful art integration, we have been familiar with the word art integration. How it can be made joyful? There was a doubt, and that doubt is over for me now, as she had given so many examples how we can integrate, especially music, into our classes and all. I have seen creative singing in the class usually. But we can use how we can use that in the classroom. I was having so many doubts, so even though I'm having a little bit of doubt how I can use that in derivation and all, I'm still having more clarity. I'm teaching physics. Anyway, we will try to find out more ideas. We will try to
You should go
improvise.
for physics for entertainment.
Yes, we will try that. Anyway, I had the thought that anyway, we are supposed to make our class more fun-oriented in order to make our students learn more. I had that and I tried that in my classes and all. A little bit of humor and all using in my class. I actually teach like that. And anyway, integrating art this way is actually a new experience, and I think I will try this in my class. I don't know whether music is comfortable for me, but some other way we will try. Or I will try
There are
anyway.
so many art forms.
Anyway, we will try to implement this in our classes as we can. Thank you.
For this much of time, I was thinking whether I should stand up or say something or not. But if I left this hall without saying anything, I will definitely regret about that. So, ma'am, I'm the kind of person who easily gets upset about negative thoughts and all, and that upset will easily reflect on my face, and everybody could understand that easily, notice that easily. And even when I enter to my class, my children will easily notice that, and they will ask, "What happened to you, teacher? Why you are not laughing?" So now I'm able to understand the value of being happy. If we are not happy, how can we make our children happy? I'm able to understand the value of happiness, and I got many things from your class, ma'am, especially that quote that is, "Your money is our money, and my money is my money." I'm really excited towards that saying, ma'am. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for that.
These days I saw a reel, Instagram reel. In that reel, one of the film actors says that she studied some of the topics by using the film name. One of the actors, I forgot the name, and she saying that one of the popular Bollywood actress, she said that she studied that topics by using the film name. I also remember that when I was studying my degree portions, I had a small fight with my professor, and I thought that I want to score full mark in that subject, theory subject. I know I could not get it, but I tried best. Then there is 4 essays. I studied by heart all the essays. Then in between I forgot all the contents in the essays, but I never forgot that heading and subheading, because I studied by using every film name and by using the stories in that. And I think out of 50 I got 48 or 49 in that exam. And the sir was also told me that how you go score this much marks than that, because there are 2 hours exam. I got 2 essays. That is, I got 2 extra 20 additional seats also. I only wrote that. Doing the additional seats, he gave that mark. Okay. That's one of the tricks I use. I remember I was understanding that. Then there is one issue that the teacher, traditional teaching to we are changing to as a companionship.
Yeah.
That is nowadays. Because when last year I was teaching in Sharanapati physics, there I studied the value education. Then I did not have any courses coming, and every day going to class and teaching them, and will come back. I'll discuss many social things. But after that, then I have one hobby that after every 3 months I will give paper to them, and they want to write something about me. And the first paper somebody told about that father, your haircutting was nice, your beard was nice. Okay, then one student wrote like that. She was taking classes for 9th standard students. She is studying the value education from 1st standard onwards, but she didn't like that class because she just had